Hi, third grade, it's Mrs. Feathers. I'm going to walk you through your grammar practice pages for this week. They are pages 121 through 124, focusing on pronoun verb contractions. If you still have questions after this video, please feel free to reach out to myself, Mrs. Oliver, or Mr. Casper, and we can help you some more. Your first practice page is page 121. Let's remind ourselves that a pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. Words such as she, he, they, we, it. A verb is an action, and then contractions are shortened forms of words, two or more words put together into one. At the top of the page, it reminds you what a contraction is, that we use an apostrophe to replace the letters that we take out of the word, and then some common contractions. And these blue words are going to be really helpful for you on this page. The directions on 121 say to rewrite each sentence and replace the underlined words with a contraction. Number 1 says, I am writing a report about animals and their habitats. I want to replace I am with a contraction. I can use the box up here to help me. I am becomes I'm. So I'm going to rewrite this using the contraction I'm. You will complete this page with the same directions for 2 through 5. Taking a look at page 122, I'm doing the same thing, but I'm focusing on the helping verb will on this page. The directions say underline the 2 words in each sentence that you can make into a contraction. Then write the sentence with the contraction. Again, I have this box up here that is very helpful for this page. Number 1 says, we will have lots of fun at the park. First, I need to identify what words I'm going to make into a contraction. For number 1, I'm going to underline we will. Then I'm going to replace we will with will and rewrite the sentence. You will repeat these directions for 2 through 5. Page 123 is looking at the differences between contractions and possessive pronouns. Some contractions are its, your, and their. There's also possessive pronouns that sound exactly the same, its, your, and their. The possessive pronouns do not have an apostrophe. They are showing possession of something. On the bottom, part A, it says to write C if the underlined word is a contraction and write P if it's a possessive pronoun. It's very important to know the difference because these words cannot be used interchangeably. They mean different things. Number 1 says, I hope it's not too late to enter the science fair. I see it's with an apostrophe. Therefore, it is a contraction in this sentence. I can also check by replacing it's with it is. I hope it is not too late to enter the science fair. It still makes sense. Number 2 says, Lynn and Gary showed me their science project. This one does not have an apostrophe. Therefore, it's a possessive pronoun. Lynn and Gary own or possess the science project. You will repeat these directions for 3, 4, and 5. On the bottom, you need to complete the sentence with either the contraction or the possessive pronoun. Number 6 says, I like your new backpack. You own the backpack, So I want to use the possessive pronoun form of your. The contraction form would not make sense because then the sentence would read as, I like your new backpack. Your last page here is a proofreading page, and you are going to be finding 5 mistakes in the paragraph. These mistakes are either with contractions or possessive pronouns. I'm going to find the first mistake with you. I've just read a book about the history of ice cream. The first mistake is in this sentence, and it is the word I've. It has an incorrect apostrophe placement. I'm going to start by rewriting with the correct apostrophe placement. You will repeat this and look in the paragraph for 4 more mistakes. Again, if you have any questions after watching this video and going through your grammar book, please feel free to reach out to any of the reading teachers. Once you have completed this practice, then you can take your quiz on Google Classroom. I hope you have a wonderful week, and we all miss you very much. Bye, guys.